That's how the daddy bowl.
Can you do another one?
I do it. Oh, okay. Mommy do one.
Mommy do one? Mommy's not drinking carbonated. Mommy's drinking.
What's that?
Vitamin water.
Vitamin water? Vitamin water.
See if he can do another daddy burp.
I clucked.
No, that was pretty good. But you gotta say excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Get that out of my way. Get that out of my way.
Get it out of your way?
Yeah.
You don't want this?
Done?
I don't.
You're done?
I'm a drink.
Did they have a big
I'm
lunch?
a drink.
They, did actually, kind of. Willie ate the macaroni and cheese
Okay,
left
you're all
over.
I want the kettle.
You want to color?
Yeah.
He wants to color. I told him he could color when he was done eating.
Okay. Well, let's clean you up, buddy.
Okay, that's all the daddy burps.
Messy ball.
All right,
I'm messy.
Can you clean yourself up?
Okay.
Can you wipe your face and stuff off? And wipe your face off, too.
Can I? I'll do mommy. I'll do daddy.
Okay, we're waiting. Yeah, they had peanut butter and,
I'll do mommy.
hazel, what's that stuff called?
He's got the boo boo.
The chocolatey stuff.
Oh.
You leave it alone or it won't heal.
He got
Chocolatey stuff? Nutella?
Nutella. Peanut butter and a Nutella sandwich.
Color.
And Luke almost ate the whole
Color?
sandwich.
What are we coloring on?
There's another one like that.